Hi guys, today I would like to discuss about how we can extract the location data like GPS coordinates from the image. So let's quickly start our hands-on. So it is the image which was clicked long ago. It's my personal image. I would like to know, I would like to extract the location of this image. Let's see how I can extract that. If I can go to the image location, it is in yeah, it is the image path or the image directory where it exists. Let's use EXIF tool and give the image name. See, if you can see this command, I'm using EXIF tool and I'm passing this image as a argument. Here if you can see the metadata of the image, it is storing the lens side on the photo where it was clicked. I was used iPhone 7 plus back dual camera, and also it is giving the geographical data where it was taken. So with the help of EXIF tool we can able to extract the metadata from the image, or the EXIF data we can able to retrieve. So let's see how we can install EXIF tool from GitHub. So it is the GitHub link for the EXIF tool. You can install from this. Here you can able to see how you can install if you are using Mac OS or Windows, or even if you are using any Linux distribution also, it will give you. I already installed this tool in order to extract the EXIF data from the image. So I'm talking about EXIF data. Let's see what is the EXIF data and how we can able to retrieve that location details. What is EXIF data in image? So EXIF data is a metadata which can store the details like camera settings, thumbnail, image, and geolocation information, software information, and the orientation. It's a EXIF data is embedded within the image file itself and contain information about various aspects of the image. Okay, since I got the GPS location, let's see how I can figure out the exact location where the image was clicked. How to find out exact location from above details in Google Maps. See, here it is giving the latitude and longitude, for example. Yeah, here it is telling visit the Google Maps, enter this coordinates it, and view the location. Let's see that. I will show you. So maps.google.com with query parameter, and it's converted this latitude and longitude into this form. Let's see what is the location where the image was clicked. See, here I can able to identify the exact location where that image was clicked. Okay, in this way I can able to find out the location of the image which is stored in image metadata. Let's suppose think about the case you want to hide your GPS location details, even though if you are uploading your images into any public platform. How you can do that, how you can strip off this location details from the image, that is one concern. And also, if you don't want to disclose your location details to any external person, because it's kind of a privacy concern. So let's see how we can strip off the location details and the entire EXIF data, the phone camera more details and everything. For this, actually I have written a tool in Python. You can click on this. If you can see my GitHub page, here I have written a simple piece of Python code to remove EXIF data from the image. I can post this link in the description, you can utilize it. Let's see how I can able to run it and how I can remove the data. See here, if you can see, I'm having this location data within the image. So now I want to remove this location data from the image using that Python tool, pwtls. Okay, it is this name of the file is sample. Let's go to the tool and give the name of the image, input image. So here I have to pass on my image, and later it will call this strip EXIF function, and with the definition of this function will be like it will take the EXIF data, and if EXIF data is not, then it will do the removal operation, and later it will store the new image without having any EXIF data. I can name that image also sample image. Let's open the terminal. Okay, now I want to run this remove EXIF. So it is saying that there is no module called EXIF. Let's import that. It's installed successfully, and let's try to run it. Yeah, it got run successfully, and let's ls it. See here the original image, and here image without EXIF. Let's check that if it removed or not. EXIF tool sample without EXIF data. See, it is the image now. The location data and the name of the mobile and the camera, it was clicked. Every data has been removed. Every EXIF data has been removed. So in this way you can remove or strip off your privacy location details from the image before uploading it into any public platform. Yeah, thank you guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please click on the like button and click on the subscribe button. It will be a booster for me to do more exciting content. Thank you.